Nowadays, it's the age of the competition, and as evident that, and many studies have also revealed that customer has become the focus nowadays, and we can say that the customer is the source of the money, and the process of the customer relations management that has become very important, and that's why nowadays the organizations they are focusing on this because in order to attract more and more customers and also in order to retain customers and for this area that needs to be focused in order to become competitive and the sustain competitiveness. Now, what is CRM? CRM is concerned with creation and development of individual customer relationships with careful targeted customers and customers group resulting in maximizing their total customer lifetime value. That's why, based upon this, many organizations they first carry out their market research and the market survey, and based on that, they start their production. And as this market potential and to know the attitude and the behavior and the requirement of the customers and the organizations they are carrying out this process. CRM is a business strategies that aims to understand, anticipate, and manage the need of an organization, current and potential customers. So, to have the idea about the potential customers, their need, their requirement, and to work accordingly, that has become the business strategies. And CRM can be said as that strategy which need to be focused. Why is CRM important? CRM helps business build a relationship with their customers that in turn creates loyalty and customer retention. Because if the CRM this part is good, in that case the business they will have their good contacts with their customers and in turn they will get their loyalty and retention. Now that's why nowadays companies are also focusing on the after sales service and because they don't want to lose their customer because the competition is increasing day by day and in within that conditions to obtain and sustain competition, this type of the strategies that has become very important. CRM tool creates a simpler user interface for a collection of data that help business recognize and communicate with customers in a scalable way. And that's why we can see that nowadays, after our experience, our work, the organizations, they ask for the feedback of the customer. As we have seen that in the case of the Dell, whenever the any service is the requirement of that is there, after that the Dell asks for their feedback and similarly in the case of the hotel industries, the good hotel, they continuously obtain the feedback of the customers because this also increase the value of the organization in the mind of the customer. The adoption of CRM being fulfilled by a recognition that long-term relationship with customer are one of the most important assets of an organization. And that's why this adoption of CRM system, this has become important because this also helps in building the long-term relationship with the customers and this also obtain the loyalty of the customer. Now, what the CRM process? In this case, the focus that is on the customer loyalty and for that the customer satisfaction that is the first part and that first objective and after that the customer retention that is also our ultimate objective. Let us not lose any customer at any rate and in order to obtain the customer loyalty, the The customer database is to be created. The CRM software helps in that. The relationship history, the record of that is being carried out, and the customer analytics, that data is also analyzed continuously, and personalized marketing, so that the customer, they also feel their emotional and the personal relationship with the organization. And we can see that the many products organizations, as we can see that in the case of the automobile also, they obtain the loyalty of the customer and their retention continuously. And similar is that we can also see in the case of electronic goods. What does CRM involves? CRM involves the following. The organizations must become customer focused as has been talked. The customer focus that has become the most important and organization should focus on that. The organizations must be prepared to adopt so that it takes customer needs into account and deliver them as per the customer needs. The work should be carried out, and the customer needs should be delivered so that the customer should feel not only satisfied but he should feel delighted. The market research must be undertaken to assess customer needs and satisfaction. We can see that the market research, this has become the important tool nowadays, while if we talk about the 30, 40 years ago, this was not seen commonly. Now, how to implement CRM? In this, the organizations need to address four issues. What is our core business and how will it involve, how will it evolve in future? What our core business is and what is our future vision, how we want to expand that, what form of the CRM is appropriate for our business and in the future, because for the particular business and for the future vision, there may be the many ways of CRM, but in that particular way, the what form of the CRM, what type of the work should be required. Now, what IT infrastructure do we have and what do we need to support the future organizations need, because IT system, IT infrastructure, that has also become very important to collect data and analyze that. So in this case also, what type of the softwares and the system that we should create and that we should exploit, that should be known to us. What vendors and partners do we need to choose? Because in order to obtain our objective, we may also need many partners and many suppliers or vendors. And what type of these we should adopt, we should obtain, because they will also form our team of the organization, and quality of the vendors and partners that we have chosen, that will also affect the ultimate objective and the competitiveness up to a large extent. Now, what benefits of CRM that we obtain? The better data organizations, the data which have been obtained, that is organized in the better way. The customers, with them, the communication is enhanced. We are in touch with them and we obtain their feedback continuously, shared informations. The information flow also becomes fast, and information sharing that is also obtained fast in this way. Automated workflow and actions. The workflow takes place automatically and actions are being taken as we develop the infrastructure and the system accordingly. Efficient follow-up. The follow-up that can be also said as the very important in the many cases, that also becomes efficient in this case, and by this we obtain the value for the organizations. And let us say that the implementation of the good CRM system, the customer relationship management system, that can be said as the very important, and that is also obvious out of this discussion. And we can say that This is also a key parameter to obtain the competitiveness by any organization, as the customer is the focus, and for that, the relations they should be maintained in the true sense, and long-term relations that should be obtained so that the brand of the organization that should be in the mind of the customer, and whenever customer need, he should go or he may go for the that